Bí ọmọdé bá ṣubú, á wo iwájú. Bágbà ṣubú, á wẹ̀yìn wẹ̀hìn. Ogún ọmọdé kò lè ṣeré fún ogún ọdún. Agbára ike afa ukanem to hak frika Kalaharu to Kalahari. Ibidara Ururu is Kalahari Desert.
This is bugging the shit out of me right now. Look at they all walking past. Nobody's clapping for her. Look. The Africans are like, what is she doing? Excuse me. Can you not dance here? What are you doing?
Could you stop kicking up all the dirt?
Kicking up the dirt. First you take our resources, then you take our land. Now you are wasting our time with your TikToks. Please, get out of here. You're not even dancing correctly. My daughter can beat you and she's only 8 years old.
The Igbo Bantuselles. The Ice Age period span more than 122,000 years until 1600 BC. Between 100,000 BC and 13,000 BC, the period fall within the last Ice Age, in which the northern and the southern hemisphere were completely buried in mile-thick glaciers. It was the period that the Owa was ticking and vibrating within the equatorial and tropical Owa. It was the era of spreading and occupation of the Owa to the east and to the west of what is now Africa. Africa then was the central block of the Owa, which Africans, Igbos, called Uwari. The South Africans, then known as Umu Chiaka Igbo Shoto, were descendants of the Igbo Bantu. Umu means children of. Chiaka means God's hand. Umu Chiaka Igbo Shoto means the children of Chiaka Igbo Shoto. It only lent itself in support of the common origin of language from Uwari. It is impertinent to think that the spreading Africans had no language, culture, and civilization of the age. The most absurd would be the claim that they were people who click.
For instance, the letter Q we pronounce no, the letter X we pronounce nge, and the letter C is ngi, and the letter R is ha. So we have words like utgha, which means a medical doctor. Iqaqa is a skunk. Ixoxo is a frog. Ukuxuma means to jump.
That was a nasty propagation and renewal of violence to hack Africa by singling out the isolated people in the hiding in the hottest desert in the Owa, the Ibidara Ururu Kalahari Desert. They lost the Uwari tongue and replaced it with cliques as survivor depended on silence and state.
Oboko.
Oboko.
Koko.
Coco.
Davadito I had some digestion or don't. I had some Davadito.
Hi, the
The Bantuselle, Banguela, Banguela, Into, and Ingu are the same. Ella, Ele, Sele, Sela, same twin words. Nothing separates them. Bantuselle means the Paleolithic stage Africa.